Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, it's me again, Catherine Arceo. So, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, of course, mag-subscribe ka na. And don't forget to click the notification bell down below para lagi ka magiging updated every time na mag-upload ako ng brand new video. So, for today's video, I'm going to color my hair na parang fuchsia pink. Ganun yung dating. And I'm going to use Bremod Performance. Ayan siya. And I'm going to use the shade 845 Burgundy. So, nabili ko siya on Lazada. So, nung binili ko to, nakakatuwa kasi yung nagbibenta dun sa, or yung inorderan ko dun, sinend niya muna sa akin yung mga picture bago niya i-ship out. So, ayun. So, what you need para magkulay ng hair is of course yung hair colorant, and then yung HYDROX niya, or yung COLLAGE HYDROX niya, and I'm going to use the 12% volume 40. And of course, huwag mo kalimutan yung cup, yung brush, and then yung plastic na gagamitin mo for the hair color. So, let's start. So, guys, reminder lang before kayo mag-color ng hair, huwag kayo magko-conditioner or mag-shampoo kayo 12 hours or 24 hours before kayo mag-kulay. Guys, update. Tignan mo, matatapos yung hair color ko. Ang dami pa din. Oh my gosh. For the roots na lang, siguro mamaya. Yan, okay na. And then, I'll be back for the final result. Pag nabanlawan, of course. Hey guys, so ito na yung final result ng hair ko. As you can see, o diba? Achieve yung pink dreams po siya, pink hair, ganyan. So, hindi po ako nag-bleach, pero gumana yung pangkulay. And for only, wala pang 200 pesos, maganda yung result ng hair. So, pang isang taon na rin to. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kung nagusto mo tong video, of course, like this video. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Again, this is Catherine Arceo. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!